Hello, this is Juan Saldarriaga from All Solar Cleaning Services of Orlando, Florida. As I showed you early on in the video that we taped, I want to show you what the effect of the rain does on the solar panels. As you can see, we wet those early on and they are dry, and you see they are still very dirty all over the place, right? Now, if you can see here, we clean those and you see how clean they are. Now they are receiving the whole thing, the whole rays, that way they produce the energy. If you do this at least once a year, you won't have a problem producing enough energy. What is this? Pollen, bird droppings, and other things that it can happen to make the panels dirty. For that, you need to call All Solar Cleaning Services for Orlando, 407-663-3148, or you can send us an email at allsolarcleaningservices@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a good day.